I moved a lot of shit since the last time I seen you. 22 dirt bikes out of my living room. Frickin' probably 10 more cars. Shitloads more frickin' furniture. It's hot. It's 110 degrees. I don't know what it is right now. It's probably not that hot. It's gonna be hot because it's 99 degrees in Goodsprings right now. So I'm gonna say it's 110. It's 107 here. So by 2, so by 3, 4, by 5 o'clock, 4 and 5 would be 111. I don't know if I want to be out here. Load up some of the shit in this house, I guess what's left. It looks shitty. It's really a shame that now we're videoing this. No one ever got to see what this house looked like really before, when it was really cool. Not really. Not really. We could probably try to get some of this other shit out of here. I don't know. Let's go inside and see what's left.
Yeah, we got some shit done.
You leaving this week?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm leaving on like Friday or Saturday. And then, but I'll be on my way back by the time my dad gets back, I think.
Should be back with after the show.
Him? Yeah.
So we'll probably do the move of that.
Yeah, we'll do that probably within the first 15 days of July, I'm sure. So we'll do that when I get back, and we're gonna pull up all these pavers too. I honestly don't think it's gonna be that bad. It's gonna be labor for sure, but picking them up's way faster than laying them.
Get that in this little case. Oh, this little holder thing's coming. Probably not gonna have to make it, get lost. I won that.
I don't know how to play it.
I won that from, it was like Mopar's on the Strip. And we didn't think we were gonna win it. I didn't even know it was a Fender. I thought it was a Fender off a car, not a freaking Fender Guitar. But it was owned by one of the CEOs of Fender Guitar. His band was called the Saucy Jacks, 2012. That was a while ago already. And he signed it for me. But it's a one-of-one guitar ever made. They didn't make any of these because of the paint scheme on it. The paint scheme on it was so like expensive that they couldn't keep producing the guitar. Pretty cool. I don't know how to play it, but it's cool to have. Cool to have. I gotta be out of here by the, well, not till middle of July, but, or well, second week. Just old magazines. Chase when he was a little kid, jumping a car on his dirt bike. He was what, 8 years old there? Yep. So I was going through these the other day, trying to keep the old magazines. I got some old Mike Tysons. I got the Playboy of Donald Trump. And these are the Mike Tyson ones from 86, 87 when he was a badass. Well, he still is a badass, but I'm hoping one day I'll get to meet him and I'll have him sign them. These are just a bunch of magazines that the car's been in. Rat rods. I don't know. I just freaking was going through them and trying to figure out which ones I was going to keep, throw away. Yeah, I still have quite a bunch of them. I think we can probably just start loading some of this shit on the truck. This cabinet can go. We can take this, we can probably take that. We can take the car body. Yeah, or just start loading it on whatever we want. And get my elk head out of here. We'll load it up probably last part of the day so it's not in the sun. And then find a place to put it. You know what I could do is we could put it down inside the Connex boxes. So this could get loaded. These two things right here could probably get loaded. And if we want, we can start putting them on pallets so we can take them off easy. God, did I bring enough pallets?
Yeah.
Shit, that's the other problem.
We might be screwed on the pallets.
That's right, we don't have any, do we? What about the dirt bikes? Should we just take them out to Goodsprings and park them somewhere?
No, there's just a couple more in there.
There's just little ones in there. Yeah, really, we could probably just use a few more pallets. There's, I wonder if there's any over there across the street. I'm not sure. Moved all the motorcycles. Moved the whole motorcycle collection down to WelderUp. Yeah, if you're in town, go by the shop. All my motorcycle collections down there. Some of them. I got rid of a couple. There's probably a few more in there for sale too. So if you're a vintage motorcycle guy, go by there, check them out. They'll be there. They'll be there till the end of the year probably. But you know, I'd like to get rid of some of them anyway. I just don't have nowhere to put them right now. How good's that pallet?
It's not very good, but it's good enough to set some shit on.
What about that one flipped over the other way? Is it any good?
Yeah, this one's a little heavier.
That's a big sucker, isn't it? That's a big old pallet.
Yeah.
The problem is they don't fit in the Connex boxes real well. Yeah, that one we could probably transport that stuff over to another one. That one's a little bit better. Grab this other side, Juice. Grab them both. I'll sit right here. This is all to the Dodge. This goes to my 28 Dodge, brothers. I want to save all this because, yeah, no, those are pretty
Pieces to a puzzle.
Yeah, pretty serious
That's what
shit.
they are.
You know, you try to save all this shit, and you hope that one day you're gonna have time to with it. Set it out here and grab with the Bobcat or whatever. This is an interesting fact. These chairs are from the Dunes Hotel, Las Vegas Dunes. When you played slot machines, you sat in these. Or you sit at the bar. These are pretty sweet little chairs. The Dunes was blown up, I think. God dang, it's been, shit, 30, 25 years ago. I blew the Dunes up, maybe longer. I can't remember. I think it was like, god damn, it was before that. It's like 30 years ago. Probably 30 years ago, they blew the Dunes up. But these were actually in the Dunes Hotel. They're pretty freaking sweet. Old Vegas memorabilia. I got a lot of that stuff that I try to hang on to.
Where's the amp for your guitar?
Shit, I think I threw it in the garbage. What? There's like two of them. There's one right here and one right there. Is that any good?
Is that any good? It looks like it says Fender on it.
This just won't say any good.
I know one of them works. This one works. This is the one we used.
We did? For what?
For the guitar.
Did you play it?
Yeah. I used to.
Alright, frickin'.
I mean, I don't know how to play guitar, but I know the amp wouldn't work and the guitar works.
You just plug that into the guitar right there?
Yeah.
Alright, well, shit. Let's, I guess, keep them.
I mean, I don't know. Might as well keep it all together. It all works.
I guess. I need to get that trunk lid. Shit. There's just shit, little shit everywhere. Shit I don't want to do is in the house. I don't even want to go in there. I hate it. But I surely do not want to leave a 31 Ford trunk lid.
I might hook that little trailer up to that Dodge again.
Little white one?
I don't know. Do you just want to start packing shit out of the house?
Yeah, we need to probably.
I'll move some shit around real quick.
That's,
All right. This is how you do it. Like when you walk up to a girl, you go like this. Like, hi, my name's Chase. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you, sweetheart.
Oh, so you walk by without saying hi?
This still work? Yeah.
The games, yeah. Yeah, they work. Take a minute to get going. I don't even know. Oh, they're not plugged in. Our extension cord got ganked. But yeah, they work. I don't know. I don't even think he really wants them. If I had the right trailer going home, I'd throw it on.
Today's just it's just not a good day. It's not productive. It's not nothing. Too many people want everything. Can't get nothing done. Shit, we're gonna have to back that shit right up in there, huh? Is that the room?
Huh? Starting on your room.
Damn, what the hell's my freaking leg gonna fall off this sucker or what?
It's got a wiggly little leg.
Both of them wiggly.
I really like that chair though.
That sucks. That was a cool chair. It's old now. Had that for a long time. What else you got in there?
I don't know. Do you want to break your room down and then get your TV, the cab out and shit, and then
Put that
we
off.
could probably get your whole room put on that trailer and in the truck, and then I could start on my room too, and we could just be done with the inside shit for the most part.
I mean, that TV's kind of a pile of shit.
If you want TVs to hang in your shop.
Yeah, but they're not. Let's see. Oh, this one is, I think, a smart TV, but it's
TVs are cheap
kind of a piece of
for the
shit.
most part, you know.
And then we can slide.
There's that dresser in there.
Yeah, that one's pretty sick. I mean, it's kind of a cool dresser. We can take the balcony railings down over there, and we can start just freaking throwing the cab, throw this on there, take that bed apart, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is the one I wear. Yeah. You wanna get some of this? I'm probably gonna get my truck or get my forklift, get a 3/8 inch impact, take that railing down. We'll just wheel it over there and take it off the forklift, so we don't have to carry it down the stairs and out the door.
Ooh, we should probably get a pallet. Yeah, there were 3 of them up here.
Undo this freaking television. Man, I whipped up some kind of bullshit concoction of how to mount the TV in here.
Why don't you just leave it in there?
As I don't know. Honestly, because I want to just leave the TV here. And I don't want to take junk with me.
Take what?
You know, I went through hell when I found this truck cab. And I've moved it a fucking 10 times. Somewhere in frickin' Montana. Somewhere in Montana.
Figuring that out. What are we doing?
Probably. We'll figure out how we can.
I got spurts of energy. Ready? Let's go.
Let's go. Do you want to go? Do we want to go forward?
Yeah, it's heavy.
I thought I was gonna really just. How'd you get it up here?
I don't know. Shit, I can't remember.
Dude, what is up with you and your Alzheimer's? I don't remember. Is this in your house, your room?
When you have an overactive brain like I do, you do so much shit that you can't even remember fucking doing it. I don't know. Sucker's kind of heavy.
It's heavy as shit, actually.
Okay. What are you doing here?
Let's just let her come down. Okay.
Might pick up better like this.
Can we drag it out the freaking door? Hung up on the right arm.
Here you go.
Probably not that gracefully.
Yeah.
You know, I might have put that in there with the forklift before I I don't know. I can't really remember how I put it in there. Honestly, it's been so damn long. Waiting on Julian. I don't know where the hell he's at.
He said he just sent a text to both of us saying that the last thing we made him pick up, he almost shit himself, so he had to run inside real quick. He said
Man,
it'd be
that's
out.
some funny shit for YouTube. Come on.
Yo.
What happened, cuz?
Oh man, I had to chip myself.
What happened? You just push a hemorrhoid out of your butt or what?
I think so. Well, I'm sitting taking the shit real quick, and yeah.
You get a little turtle head poking out?
Yeah, no, I'm releasing that right now.
Well, hurry up, dude. It's 107. We're standing in the driveway waiting on you, cuz.
I'll come right now. Let me wipe my ass. I'll be out there.
Bye.